welcome to a new updated tutorial video about Blob's loadout system. Recently he added a new update, so I'm going to make a new updated tutorial about Blob's loadout tech. Sorry for my accent or my grammar mistakes. I'm not a native English speaker, so sorry about that. So let's start. Basically, he updated settings and stuff. He added chants, little bit easier to use now. So as you can see from the old Blob's loadout tech, you can see that there are the loadouts, but it's in the loadout replicated, which is in the replicated storage. It's almost the same, just one more folder named loadout replicated. You can see there the assign remote event and the chant remote event. You can see there is a regiment I set up for this tutorial video just to help myself out, making new folders and regiment and ranks stuff. As you can see American Civil War Regiment, the 149 Pennsylvania. You can see I had set up the captain. You can see the tools. Don't mind the 1868 Adams revolver, please. It's a temporary tool. You can see the hat, the webbing. You can see the shirt and the pants. It's almost the same, but now on you don't have to make the primary port for the hat. For the hats, of course. You need, for the regiments you made, you need a chant. You need chants like this American chant, or you can just make a blank one. It's going to work also. You can also disable the chants in the settings. You can see there are the group ID. You just have to put your group or your friends group. It depends, or your boss group. I don't know. You can assign the minimum rank. Pretty basic. So if you open your Roblox group, you can see, you go to the roles, you go to configure group, go to roles, and click to one of the rank there. You can see the group rank number or ID. Or yeah, you can set the number there which you like, and set it up which rank can now which minimum rank can give loadouts to other players. You can enable loadout hotkey, so if I press T, I can open the ranks. I can open the loadouts. Pretty basic. You can check out the group only loadout, so only group members can be loadouted. This is also, you don't have to modify it. If you want to have only group members, if you're having a nation, a group, then set it to true. I advise you. But if you are leading a community, you should make it this false. Remove accessories. You need to have it true. You don't want those dirty, bad-looking accessories other players or your soldiers have, like you got a fanboy joining to your game, which is your soldier, and it's going to look strange if he going to have cat ears and stuff like that. You don't want that. Alright, you don't want that. Remove force field. It depends what you want. You have to set it to true or false. It depends. If you want to remove player force field when they are loadouted, they are basically going to respawn, but not really. Just refreshing the character with the loadouts you gave them, with the shirt and pants, webbing, hats, tools, and stuff like that. You can see the chants enabled, basically the chants, very basic. You can see the chant hotkey, it's Q. You can set it if you want to. So the settings are pretty basic, and you can learn it pretty easily. And also Blob made some description for them, just to understand what are these keys or stuff here. You can see the enemy enable data store. So if you leave, if you set it true, if you leave and rejoin, you will have the same uniform. So basically it's a memory. It's going to save your loadout. Chant bubble enabled. So when you press Q and press on the chant, you will have a little bubble, like a chat bubble, like if you were chatting in Roblox chat. Loadouts lock enabled. You can check out which player in your group gave people loadouts. If you want it, you can set it to false or true. It depends what you like. Data key, you don't have to change this. But if you change this, all the uniforms data, the game saved, it's going to be lost. Default regiment, you have to set. If you are leading a community or a group, you have to set up. If somebody joins your group and join to the game, you will have a basic uniform with basic tools and the default loadout, ranker. So that was the basic stuff in the settings, very basic. So let me have a uniform to set up. We're going to use MBC51's silver accessories, just to show you guys how to set up the hats and the webbings. I also recommend using, if you are having a ACV group, ACVW group, I recommend using Maine's or MBC51's webbings and hats, cappies, hardy hats. It's they are looking amazing. Yeah, use it. So yeah, now it's better. So we're going to choose a random one. I'm going to choose I'm going to choose this McDowell cap, because why not? I'm just going to put it in the workspace. Alright, and I'm going to set it up. So you can see he got no hair or stuff like that. I'm not going to put hair on it because I'm lazy to do that. But I'm going to show you guys the basic stuff. If you want to put their hair, it's really simple. You just put it, you just move it to the head, and you just assign it. It's really easy, so I don't have to show you guys. MBC's 51 𝐂𝐻𝐹𝐈𝐎�𝐒 accessories will be in the link of the description, and also a Blob loadout system. Check it out. You can, if you need any help, you can check out my, you can DM me in Discord or join to my Discord server and get some help there. People going to help you, or maybe me. It's band. I'm leading a little Victorian era community called Winds of Change. If you have a nation and wants to join, you can. Alright, so we got the torso and the head at the cap. I'm just going to put there the head. So like this and this, simple. You don't have to even primary port it, you just have to rename it to head. It's very important, because if you're not going to rename it to head, the loadout system not going to give you a head. So this cappy or cap or bicorn or tricorn. So you have to set the head transparency to 1. It's very important, because you don't want to have 2 heads, especially white head. Alright, now it's done. I'm just going to re-anchor it, and it's done. This head is done. You don't have, you just put it there or somewhere, while I'm going to set up the webbing, the backpack. So I'm going to choose for this occasion so I'm going to choose this infantry kit. I'm just going to put it in the workspace. As you can see, it's pretty basic, and you know what? I'm going to put there canteen. I'm just thinking which one should I put. I think I should put this white one. I'm going to put the white one. There you are. Just going to put it here. This one here. Going to put the Havelock pouch. No, it's not the Havelock, sorry. It's haversacks. So I'm going to put a haversack there. And we're going to use a black one. So this one. We're going to use these black ones. Yeah, that's all to make. So let me set this up real quick. So you get into this R6, or I don't know. If you don't have any torso and stuff, you just put down the dummy in the model. You go to model. No, sorry. You go to the plugins. You go to the avatar importer, or just check out in the toolbox, like just search up for a dummy. Spawn it down, and you can just assign it to the webbing, and just put there the torso. You just need the torso, but putting there a full dummy is pretty helpful when you are setting up your webbings or your uniforms. So I'm just going to put the torso in. That's all I'm going to do. So there is the torso. I'm going to transparency it because I don't want to have a +1 torso on my torso or my chest. So yeah, but you have to primary part the torso. You have to call this to webbing, because if you're not going to call it a webbing, then the loadout system not going to give you anything. Right? This is very important. I'm just going to re-anchor it to make it sure, and I'm going to make the same process to these. Just very simple. I'm not even going to just going to primary port it and delete this. So webbing, don't mind this. If something happens, don't mind this. It's going to be alright. It's a little bug, you know. I'm going to just make it fast, just to show you guys. Just delete this. I'm going to transparency. So I'm just going to put it in a position, and I'm just going to put all this stuff, expand the torso into this webbing. Let me get this one, the canteen. I'm just using random stuff I choose. Alright, so I'm not going for realistic stuff. I'm just using random stuff right now, so please don't mind it. Alright, just put it there. It's perfectly aligned. So I'm going to re-anchor it to make sure. You can see we got the head, the webbing. I'm going to get the random uniform. Oh, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys dummy. So you can see here R6 dummy, pretty basic, very basic stuff. And I'm going to put there a shirt, pants. I'm just going to show you guys the uniforms. Copy. So other important thing is to name the shirt and the pants. Shirt and pants. It's very important. Unless the uniforms, the loadout system not going to give you the uniforms, the pants and the shirt. As you can see, it's a very nice frock coat of the Union Army, from the volunteers. It's not a sack coat for the regulars. Don't mind this bug. It's a little bug. You won't have this bug in your character. It's just a little bug. So this uniform we're going to use. So you can see it's in the loadout. So when you set up the loadout deck, you know, you have to put the loadout replicated in replicate storage, the loadout handler to script service. In the service storage you put your tools in, and in the starter UI you put the loadout UI there. Pretty simple. The load when you spawn it down or put it down. So when you put it down, Blob's loadout system, you can see the folders named. So it's going to help you, or check out README. Alright, if you need more help. So basic. So in the loadouts, you go to that plus and folder. Rename this folder to or you just copy and paste it. I'm going to use this method right now, just naming folders and stuff. I'm going to name this USA Volunteer Infantry Regiment. Right? It's just a random name I gave it. So now I have to add the rank in it. Just go for a +1 folder. Name it to the rank. So you just name your regiment, name your ranks. I'm just going to say enlisted. Right? I'm going to put the other folder called weapons. So yeah, no, tools, sorry, it's tools. I did so much animal bullet stuff, sorry about that. So you name it tools, you put there your tools. I'm just going to I'm just going to put there my my tools, the Springfield, the tools. Now you just have to put hat and webbings, the enlisted rank folder. You have to put the uniform, the shirt and pants, and it's done. It's done. Let's test it out real quick. Let me delete these. Alright. Let me press on play. And when I'm going to get into the game. I'm just going to press T or oh wait, I forgot about the very important stuff. So important stuff, if you're not going to, if you set your settings to chance enabled, you have to put a chant into your regiment. So like this, you have to get this configuration chant as chants, called chants. Just duplicate it, paste it in there, and you're done. Put it into the regiment, alright? Not into the rank. Now I'm just going to press and play. Everything going to work fine, I guess. Let's see. It should work. So I'm just going to the, you can see the loadout logs. Just going to press T. I'm going to go to the USA Volunteer Regiment, enlisted, and I got the stuff. I got the tool. You can see the loadout logs there, and you can, when I press Q, I'm just going to say hurrah. Yeah. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Again, links are going to be in the description. My Discord username going to be in the description. You can DM me if there is there are some problems. Thanks for watching this video. Check out my battle replays and my community and my community's musket deck. Thanks for MBC 51 for this amazing gun tech, and also the UI, about the UI and the uniforms. Thanks for Blob to make this amazing loadout system. Thank you for watching again, guys. Have a nice day. Goodbye.